Okay, now welcome again. Now we need to resolve what we have just seen before, and we could have a couple of different problems in future also. So what we want to do is just create a search box. You can just paste it right there and just delete this value. So this is my search box. Now I want to, get rid of all this kind of problems, and if anything comes in between, it should still show the total values of sales. So now that I've created the search box, I want to get rid of these situations. So whenever I write any kind of criteria, the sales value should change immediately according to that. And if I remove the other criteria, it should also work. So whenever you have such kind of situations to, tackle all the way around, you need a database formula that is equals to DSUM. What it does, it will take all the database and according to the criteria, it will sum it. Okay. The tooltip suggests that you need to select the database. So the database is from here, and Control-Shift right and down. Notice that I have also included the headings, and press comma. And then you need to select the field. Where's the field? All the database formulas work according to the headings. So just in the field, you want to tell what do you want to calculate. Okay, sales, which heading is that? Just you need to tell this because it can automatically sort out the data for you. So you will select the heading, it will match up the headings right there and calculate the answer for you. Okay, comma. Okay, now we have to mention the criteria. And since it works according to headings, I have to include not only this blank cells, but from here. So that means headings and the empty fields. So whenever I mention a criteria here, it will check it and it will sort it out in which field it is, and it will go to that field and calculate the relevant answer. Otherwise, that's not our concern how they manage it. Now I will just enter and get the value of it. Which value is this? This is the total value when you don't have any criteria. When I mention any of the criteria like data, for example, how much I sold in data, okay, this is the sales. And how much Smith sold in data, immediately the value will change. Okay, how much Smith sold in data, and the product is Focus POS. How much this product that Smith sold in data. Enter, and you can get the answers right away. Okay, now I know that Focus POS sales is quite good, but how much the total sales is? Okay, delete this one. Okay, that's quite good. And how many times the salesperson sold greater than 10 units? So you can filter however you want to. So that's a pretty awesome formula. Now that you have learned the D functions, you can also use dcount, dmax, dmin, daverage. You need to apply it by yourself. I'm not explaining this because it's quite simple. So just apply it by yourself in the different situations. And if you can't just get it, I have prepared a guide for you how to apply that. And I've also mentioned that in the finished workbook. So that's it. And we will see you in the next video.